This 2025 Forest River Salem FSX 269VC is a toy hauler RV. It is located in North Branch, Michigan, 48461 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, North Detroit. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.